Hello everyone, welcome back to Bilal Consultancy Limited. In the ever-evolving landscape of industries, mastering the right tools is crucial for success. Today, we delve into the realm of mastering tools tailored for specific industries, empowering businesses to thrive in their respective domains. Manufacturing excellence. In the realm of manufacturing, precision stands as the cornerstone upon which the industry builds its success. The continuous pursuit of innovation has led to the introduction of cutting-edge tools that revolutionize every aspect of the production process. These technological advancements not only streamline manufacturing operations but also elevate quality control standards and optimize overall efficiency. One of the most noteworthy advancements in modern manufacturing is the integration of advanced robotics. These sophisticated robotic systems can perform intricate tasks with unparalleled precision, speed, and consistency. Whether it be assembling intricate components or handling delicate materials, these robots contribute to increased productivity while minimizing errors. Their versatility allows manufacturers to adapt to changing demands and scale production accordingly. Real-time monitoring systems represent another crucial facet of the evolving manufacturing landscape. By leveraging sensors and data analytics, these systems provide a comprehensive overview of the production process at every stage. Manufacturers can monitor key performance indicators, identify potential bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions to enhance efficiency. The ability to detect issues in real time enables swift corrective action, reducing downtime and ensuring the timely delivery of high-quality products. Furthermore, the implementation of smart manufacturing technologies has paved the way for interconnected systems that communicate seamlessly. This interconnectedness fosters a more agile and responsive manufacturing environment. Manufacturers can integrate data from various sources, creating a cohesive and synchronized production ecosystem. This not only facilitates efficient resource allocation but also enables predictive maintenance, reducing the likelihood of equipment failures and unplanned downtime. In the pursuit of sustainability, manufacturing processes are increasingly incorporating eco-friendly practices. Advanced tools enable manufacturers to optimize resource utilization, minimize waste, and reduce environmental impact. From energy-efficient machinery to sustainable materials sourcing, these initiatives align with global efforts towards creating a more sustainable and responsible manufacturing sector. In conclusion, the integration of cutting-edge tools in manufacturing is more than a technological leap. It is a paradigm shift that propels the industry into new realms of precision and efficiency. Embracing these advancements not only keeps manufacturers competitive but also sets the stage for a future where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand, shaping a manufacturing landscape that is both dynamic and responsible. Revolutionizing healthcare. Healthcare, a critical pillar of societal well-being, is experiencing a profound transformation propelled by cutting-edge tools at the forefront of medical innovation. Among these transformative technologies are telemedicine platforms, artificial intelligence, AI-driven diagnostics, and electronic health records, EHRs. These innovations collectively contribute to reshaping the landscape of healthcare delivery, fostering improved patient care, and revolutionizing the operational methodologies of healthcare professionals. Telemedicine platforms represent a pivotal advancement that has transcended geographical barriers, providing unprecedented access to medical expertise. Through virtual consultations, patients can connect with healthcare professionals regardless of their physical location, ensuring timely interventions and consultations. This not only enhances patient convenience but also expands the reach of medical services to underserved and remote areas. Telemedicine platforms are particularly crucial during times of public health crises, allowing for the rapid dissemination of healthcare services while minimizing the risk of infectious transmission. AI-driven diagnostics stand as a testament to the fusion of advanced technology and medical science. These sophisticated algorithms analyze vast amounts of medical data to aid healthcare professionals in diagnosing conditions with greater accuracy and speed. AI not only assists in early detection but also provides personalized treatment recommendations based on individual patient data. This precision in diagnostics not only improves patient outcomes but also optimizes resource allocation within healthcare systems, making them more efficient and cost-effective. The adoption of electronic health records, EHRs, represents a fundamental shift towards digitizing and centralizing patient information. This comprehensive digital repository allows healthcare professionals to access and update patient records seamlessly, leading to enhanced coordination of care across different medical specialties. EHRs promote a more integrated approach to healthcare, reducing the likelihood of medical errors, streamlining administrative processes, and ultimately improving the overall quality of patient care. Moreover, these tools collectively contribute to a data-driven approach in healthcare, enabling evidence-based decision-making. The integration of data analytics facilitates the identification of patterns and trends, aiding in public health initiatives, preventive care strategies, and the development of targeted interventions. As healthcare becomes increasingly interconnected, the potential for collaborative research and the advancement of medical knowledge expands, leading to continuous improvements in treatment modalities and patient outcomes. In essence, the transformative tools in healthcare are not just technological marvels, they represent a paradigm shift in how medical services are delivered and managed. As the industry embraces telemedicine, AI diagnostics, and EHRs, it not only enhances patient-centric care but also empowers healthcare professionals with the tools needed to navigate the complexities of modern medicine. This synergy between technology and healthcare is poised to define a future where accessibility, precision, and efficiency converge to create a healthcare ecosystem that is both responsive and patient-focused. Fintech solutions. In the dynamic and fast-paced realm of finance, where every moment counts, precision and speed are paramount. The evolution of financial technology, or fintech, has ushered in a new era of efficiency and innovation. Fintech solutions, characterized by their ability to automate complex processes, offer real-time analytics, and ensure robust data security, have become indispensable tools for financial institutions navigating the intricacies of the global economy. One of the key features of fintech solutions lies in their capacity to automate traditionally intricate and time-consuming financial processes. From transaction processing and risk management to regulatory compliance, these technologies streamline operations, reducing manual errors and enhancing overall efficiency. Automation not only accelerates routine tasks but also allows financial professionals to focus on strategic decision-making, fostering a more agile and responsive financial ecosystem. Real-time analytics represent another frontier where fintech is transforming the financial landscape. Advanced algorithms and data analytics enable instantaneous processing and interpretation of vast datasets, providing financial institutions with insights that are crucial for informed decision-making. Whether it's market trends, customer behavior, or risk assessments, the ability to access and analyze real-time data empowers financial professionals to make timely and well-informed choices, positioning their organizations strategically in the ever-changing global market. In an era where cyber threats loom large, data security is of paramount importance in the financial sector. Fintech solutions prioritize robust security measures, employing encryption, multi-factor authentication, and secure cloud infrastructures to safeguard sensitive financial data. This not only ensures compliance with regulatory standards but also instills confidence among clients and stakeholders, fostering trust in the digital financial ecosystem. Furthermore, the adaptability of fintech solutions allows financial institutions to stay ahead of regulatory changes and compliance requirements. These technologies can seamlessly integrate updates and modifications, ensuring that financial organizations remain compliant with evolving regulations. This adaptability is crucial in an environment where regulatory frameworks are subject to constant refinement, allowing financial institutions to navigate compliance challenges efficiently. In conclusion, the fintech revolution is reshaping the financial landscape by introducing tools that not only meet but exceed the demands of the fast-paced financial world. By automating complex processes, offering real-time analytics, and prioritizing data security, fintech solutions empower financial institutions to navigate the complexities of the global economy with confidence. In doing so, they contribute to a more resilient, efficient, and technologically advanced financial ecosystem that is well equipped to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow. Empowering IT infrastructure. At the core of contemporary enterprises, the bedrock upon which their operations are built is their information technology, infrastructure. The intricate network of interconnected technologies and systems that constitute this infrastructure plays a pivotal role in shaping the efficiency, security, and scalability of businesses. A comprehensive exploration of the tools essential to this infrastructure reveals a landscape designed to optimize network security, data storage, and cloud computing, vital components that collectively form a resilient and dynamic digital foundation. Network security, a critical facet of modern business operations, relies on advanced tools that safeguard against cyber threats and unauthorized access. Cutting-edge cybersecurity measures, including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption protocols, form a robust defense against evolving cyber threats. These tools ensure the integrity and confidentiality of sensitive data, fortifying the digital perimeter and allowing businesses to operate in a secure online environment. Efficient data storage is another cornerstone of a robust IT infrastructure. Tools designed for optimized data management, storage, and retrieval ensure that businesses can seamlessly handle vast amounts of information. Storage solutions ranging from traditional on-premise servers to cloud-based services offer scalability, flexibility, and accessibility, enabling businesses to adapt to evolving data requirements and ensuring that critical information is readily available whenever needed. Cloud computing represents a transformative aspect of modern IT infrastructure. Tools facilitating cloud-based services offer businesses the ability to harness the power of remote servers for data storage, processing, and application hosting. This not only reduces the need for extensive physical hardware but also provides unparalleled scalability. Cloud computing tools facilitate efficient resource allocation, enabling businesses to scale operations up or down based on demand, fostering agility in response to changing market dynamics. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become a cornerstone in IT management, offering tools that enhance efficiency, predict potential issues, and automate routine tasks. AI-driven IT management solutions use machine learning algorithms to analyze vast datasets, predict system anomalies, and optimize performance. By automating mundane tasks, these tools allow IT professionals to focus on strategic initiatives, improving overall productivity and contributing to a more proactive and responsive IT environment. In essence, the tools integral to modern IT infrastructure serve as the linchpin of business operations, ensuring a resilient and adaptive digital foundation. From fortifying network security to optimizing data storage and harnessing the power of cloud computing, these tools collectively empower businesses to navigate the complexities of the digital landscape. In a world where digital transformation is imperative, businesses equipped with these advanced IT tools are better positioned to innovate, thrive, and remain agile in the face of technological evolution. AgTech innovations. The intersection of agriculture and technology gives rise to a harmonious blend that is reshaping the landscape of farming practices. Within this innovative realm, AgTech tools are taking center stage, leveraging data analytics, satellite imagery, and autonomous machinery to usher in a new era of efficiency and sustainability in agriculture. These cutting-edge tools go beyond traditional farming methods, offering solutions that not only maximize yield but also reduce environmental impact, contributing to a more sustainable and resilient agricultural ecosystem. Data analytics plays a pivotal role in AgTech, providing farmers with actionable insights into crop health, soil conditions, and weather patterns. By harnessing vast datasets, these tools enable precise decision-making, helping farmers optimize resource allocation, crop rotations, and irrigation practices. The ability to analyze historical and real-time data empowers farmers to make informed choices, leading to improved crop yields and resource efficiency. Satellite imagery is a game-changer in modern agriculture, offering a bird's-eye view of farmlands and providing invaluable information on crop health, soil moisture levels, and potential pest infestations. These tools enable farmers to monitor large expanses of land with unprecedented detail, facilitating early detection of issues and targeted interventions. By integrating satellite imagery into their practices, farmers can implement precision agriculture techniques, tailoring their approach to individual plots of land and maximizing productivity while minimizing inputs. The deployment of autonomous machinery represents a significant leap in the evolution of AgTech. Tractors, harvesters, and drones equipped with advanced technology and artificial intelligence can perform tasks with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Autonomous machinery not only reduces the need for manual labor but also enables 24/7 monitoring and data collection. This increased efficiency leads to optimized farming operations, reduced operational costs, and enhanced overall productivity. The overarching goal of agtech tools is not only to maximize yield but also to promote sustainability in agriculture. These tools contribute to environmentally conscious farming practices by minimizing the use of water, fertilizers, and pesticides through targeted applications. The optimization of inputs not only reduces costs for farmers but also mitigates the environmental impact of conventional farming, aligning agricultural practices with broader goals of sustainability and conservation. In conclusion, the fusion of agriculture and technology through agtech tools is revolutionizing the way we approach farming. By harnessing the power of data analytics, satellite imagery, and autonomous machinery, these tools empower farmers to make informed decisions, optimize resource use, and contribute to sustainable agriculture. In a world where food security and environmental sustainability are paramount, agtech stands as a beacon of innovation, offering solutions that not only meet the demands of the present but also pave the way for a more sustainable and resilient future in agriculture. A compilation of tools from different industries. As industries continue to evolve, mastering the right tools becomes a defining factor for success. Whether in manufacturing, healthcare, finance, IT, or agriculture, the journey to excellence begins with adopting and mastering the tools tailored to each industry. Join us in the next episode as we continue to explore the frontiers of innovation and technology across various sectors. Until then, stay tuned and keep mastering the tools that shape the future.